So let's take a look at an essential piano rock and roll riff you might have already heard. So the riff comes from the Boogie Woogie Stomp by Albert Ammons, and it has influenced many rock and roll piano players. So what I do is I place the thumb on D, I move my index finger to E flat, the thumb to E, and then you place your middle finger on B flat and your pinky on D, and you play these together. You go back to E, playing A with your middle finger and C with your pinky, again, playing them together. You go back to E, playing G with your index finger and B flat with your middle finger, again together. And it sounds like this. The lick starts on 3 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and. So let's put both hands together. The difficult part is to play both hands together. So you need to be able to play both hands individually without even thinking about it. And a really good test is to read while you're actually playing the piano. So let's, Randy will break out an old Macallis we have here from November 1953, I believe it is. There it is. And let's put me to the test.
I gotta find something real interesting here for you.
Let's take a look here.
Difficult. Okay. How about a blueberry muffins recipe?
Oh, fantastic. My favorite. There you go. All right. Let's take a look here. See if we can do it. There's a tidy can of juicy blueberry right in the package, plus a set of handy paper, baking cups, and our specially blended mix.
Left hand.
All right, let's do the left hand. No other blueberry muffins ever pleased so many. The secret is a treasured old New England recipe, enhanced with the wild, tangy, sweet flavor of northern berries. There you go. So you can see how difficult this is to really focus your mind on something completely different and playing the piano at the same time. So have fun with it and practice this, this interesting riff. As you saw in the beginning, you can play this riff over the F and the G chord as well. So let me show you the fingering for the F chord. So you start with your thumb on the G, playing the A flat with your index finger, moving your thumb underneath to the A, playing the E flat with your middle finger and the G with your pinky, back to A, playing D with your middle finger and F with your pinky, back to A, and playing the C with your index finger and the E flat with your middle finger. Let's take a look at the G chord. Starting with the thumb on the A, the index finger on the B flat, moving your thumb underneath to B, playing the F with your middle finger and the A with your pinky, back to B, playing the E with your middle finger and the G with your pinky, back to B, playing the D with the middle finger and the F with your pinky. And as you might notice, I keep the fingering the same way on this chord.